Welcome to the kitchen. Get ready, let's go. It's cooking with Jack. Put on a tasty show.
All right, so this is what you voted for. We did the smoked chuck sliders versus the crab ragoon garlic bread, and you all voted more for the garlic bread. All right. So then I told the kids they wanted some. So today we're making a double batch, single batch recipe down below. If not, I'm stupid and I forgot to include it. Just let me know and I'll put it back up. All right. So let's get started. Guys, this should be really good. Coming out of the gate, I never thought of doing this, but this should be really good. All right, guys, we got everything we need. We're starting off with our bowl of shredded and chopped crab. You can use imitation if you want. You can use real, which I'm using. Either one works, okay? We're gonna, now I'm doing double recipe. 2 things, cream cheese, cottage cheese, put a little bit of green onion there. I'm saving some for garnishing. Where's the seasoning? Oh, there it is. Little seasoning. Everybody calls it Worcestershire sauce. A little Worcestershire. There we go. Now give that a good mix. By the way, I didn't tell you, but make sure your hands are washed before you start handling all the food, because nobody's gonna want to eat dirty food. Okay. We went to the Amish store and bought Amish homemade sourdough for this recipe. We're pretty excited. Smelled amazing in the bag. So we think it's gonna be perfect to toast up. Get this all mixed. Throw it in the refrigerator for about an hour. Let the flavors get all together. We're doing 1-inch thick pieces. So slice up your bread. Have fun with this. Use pumpernickel, use rye, use sourdough. I mean, have fun. We got Amish sourdough today. And we're making 1-inch cuts. Oh my gosh, look at these pieces. They're huge. Each one is gonna get butter and garlic. All right, guys, get it all mixed up. Start brushing. I used about 2 sticks of butter. I got our mixture here. Sweet chili sauce is for topping later. We're gonna set that right there so you guys can still see. So we're gonna take enough for one. And if we need, we'll make more. But I don't think we're gonna need. Okay. Give it a good spreading. Spread that out. Okay, so now we've taken our butter and garlic and brushed every piece of bread. We spread it evenly. We're gonna do one on each one. I'm just showing you one. Okay, got enough crab ragoon on there. Top it off with a little cheese. There we go. That's good. Okay. Do that to each one. And then we're gonna, after we're done baking it, we're going to top it with a little bit of green, a little bit of sweet chili, okay? All right, guys, they just came out of the oven. They look They look beautiful. They're starting to get a little golden brown on the tips. But if you want like golden brown on the cheese, broil it for like a minute under the broiler. But everything's hot, everything's melted, everything's beautiful. So we're gonna let that cool and then we're gonna try it out. But I like them just like where they're at right now. The bread's still a little crispy and crunchy because of the baking process. But once again, you want golden brown, under the broiler for a minute, no more. All right, guys. Last thing we're gonna do, and I'm gonna do this on all of them, a little bit of greenery on it. Try not to pour too much of this sweet chili sauce. You don't want to overpower it. There. Don't want to drench it. And you can go over on the cookie sheet and do it right now if you want. Okay, so let's give this a try. I'm gonna bite right into a piece of this. This is really important. The sweet chili sauce brought it all together. It tastes really good. Guys, this is a definite remake. We're definitely making it again. I promise you, you'll enjoy.